In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Edpuzzle on your phone. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by logging in using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, I want you to hover to the three horizontal lines on the top left corner because this is where you can access your content, your classes or assignment. For example, we're going to be choosing the content. I want to edit a specific video. So I'm going to hover and scroll down below and click this video. All right. Now here, there is a three dots icon on the top right corner where you have the ability to assign, preview, duplicate, move to folder, or edit. So it's up to you. All right. So once you've created an edited version for this specific video, you can add more questions along the way. Click the finish button. So that's one way, by logging in on your mobile browser using your teacher account. Now, the second option is go to your Play Store if you are using Google or Android. And of course, if you're using an iPhone, you need to go to the Apple Play Store. Type in Edpuzzle from here. Okay. And then all I have to do is super simple. Click the install button. You want to make sure at this point is you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data because that could interfere with the installation. All right. And once you've done that, click the open button. And of course, similar to what we have done earlier, all I have to do is log in using your credentials. Here, of course, you can choose from your Google or Microsoft account. Now, if you are a student, you want to make sure that you have your class code. And if you are using a teacher account, just use your normal login details. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Edpuzzle on your phone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.